What is going on, guys? We're here to bring you back another video, and on this video we're going to a nice little car meet, a small car meet, like a very quality one. With me I got Tyler and we got Chiafari over there. He's over there exploring or something in the outdoors, you know, some normal Chiafari dad stuff. Today's kind of cool because, you know, there's a car that's been sitting at my house that I feel like we don't ever get content on, and it's such a great car, right? Should we go take a look at that car right now? I think we should go take a look at that car right now. What the hell? Alrighty, so this is the car in question right here. It's a 2003 RSX. No, I'm just kidding, guys. It's obviously this car right here. Now, this is my dad's car. I'm actually never ever allowed to drive this car. I don't know. He doesn't trust me. Does he have a good reason to not trusting me? I don't know. He did say don't be scared to bring it up to the red line. I know you heard him say that. I did hear him. I was like, ooh. So this car right here, it's a 1972 Datsun 240Z. This is my dad's child right here. It's completely rust-free. Got nothing to hide. Check the button. You can't see anything, but it's pretty clean. There's a lot of cool things on this car, like the motor not being original. It's running triple Weber 40 carburetors. They're side drive carburetors. It's a 260Z motor with a 240Z head attached to a 280ZX transmission. And it's got some things on it, obviously, like some suspension work. I honestly doesn't really tell me much about this thing except for don't touch it. Got some 15x8 random rep track lights before you guys say anything. Yes, they're reps. My dad's had this car for about a year now. He's had maybe 6 or 7 of these, or maybe 5, 6 or 7 of these growing up. And this was something that he always wanted to own. It's in really, really fantastic shape. Let's pop the hood, right? She's thick though. Yeah, she's thick. Yeah, she's thick. Don't hurt yourself crossing the street, please. Oh, snap. Oh no. Yep, like I said, it's a 260Z motor with a so it's a 260Z block, 240Z head, Weber 40s, 3 of them, and 280 ZX transmission, so it's a 5-speed rather than an original 4-speed. It's just really nicely maintained in here, really clean. Something you don't really see every day that I get to see every day, and I feel like I don't take advantage of. So there's some things already here. We got this Bluetooth speaker because there ain't no radio and the heat don't work, and it's like 45 degrees. But it's sunny, so it's all right. This is my dad. I think he's watching me on the porch. I could feel it. Yeah, he is. I could feel it. I could feel it. Look, let's see if we could get him. There he is. Like I said in this video, we're going to a car meet right next to the water. It's going to be really nice. And we're going to go hang out with some really great people. So, let's get it. Bye, Dad! I cannot explain how this thing is driving. I can feel literally everything, but not in a bad way. Like, I am shaking. I'm literally, my foot is trembling. Oh my God. Alright guys, we're about to pull up to the spot here. I wanted to show you guys this park that we're going meeting at. Can't even talk straight because, dude, honestly, this thing is unreal to drive. Whatever, we already covered that, but pan out over here, check out the scenery. Right by the George Washington Bridge. Lovely park. Not for hooning, obviously. Respect the pedestrians and cyclists and all that, share the road. But this thing is just This thing is just a joy to drive. This is the first time I've driven a carbureted car before. I've had carbureted motorcycles before, so I understand the concept. But I'm scared. It's fucking crazy. Ah, it's all wet and stuff. You have to. Oh my god, it's all like that. On there? Oh, thank you, officer. Yo, you're still going right into the water, though. Small. It's so small. Hey! Shout out to ChinzoPhoto. Check out his YouTube and his Instagram. Thank you for hosting this thing here.
Shout out to BMSpeedstars.
Oh. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, Nismo. Hi. Ooh, you remember me? Yeah, we had quesadillas together. Oh, no? That's when I've had Carl. Nice to see you. Dude, the hair's even longer now. Oh my god. Crazier, I guess. Literally shaking from like how fun that drive. Dude, there's probably a reason why my dad didn't want me to drive it ever. You guys remember Eddie from the channel early, like really early, right? You had a Sentra right that then. I had a Sentra. But then you have what now? Show us, show us.
I picked up a GTS 4 sedan.
Okay, yeah, so what's the story on this? One day I woke up, I checked my Instagram, and boom, Eddie turns into Eddie R32.
Basically, it was a birthday present for my wife. I turned big 30 this year.
Big 3-0? Okay.
3-0 on Thursday.
Tell us more about your car, man. So where'd she get it? Like
Japanese classics. Down in Virginia.
So this is a Japanese classics car.
It is.
It's a RB20?
RB20 DET.
Dude, it's really clean, Eddie.
Drive.
It's really fucking clean, man.
All-wheel steering.
Dude, Eddie, this is really clean, man. Type R going through the ocean right now. Hi, Puno.
Hello.
Where is it? Where is it? Puno, man, why do you got so much money? God, dude. I think it's a Supra. It looks like a Supra. But is it actually a Supra? Is it? Is it Nismo? Is it Supra? Okay. Oh. Very clean. Oh, that's oof. Is that JDM rust on there?
You know it.
Hold on.
That's lightweight right there.
One of these right here is not a super car. How are you, Jay?
What's up, bro?
The good old 8.6. What's up?
Bro, that is the biggest oil filter I've ever seen in my life.
Actually, ginormous.
Why the fuck is it?
That's bigger than Darren's old turbo.
That shit's a Fram. Somebody in the comments is gonna roast us for that. It's a Fram filter, dude. Don't put that garbage on a 240Z.
Ah, that's why you gotta go to Napa. The Napa Select. That's a freaking Wix filter. People don't know that.
Wix, really?
Yeah.
Got brains.
All right, there you go, Mikey Alamone. Follow him at Mikey Yeah. Got the hacks for the oil filters. Long time no see, Lolo.
How you doing, Junior?
Look.
You bought Pop's car.
No, I did not. I did not buy it. Look, it's fucking AutoZam. Let me see the inside here.
Wide wise. Oh, what car?
This is a
The tachometer is like looks like almost like a motorcycle one. It goes to 11. Chill, you still got room for the sub though. What kind of size?
Well, that.
14? Okay, so you could get dope ass wheels for this. Why you park all the way over there, man?
Because my car looks like crap.
Dude, come on. Boy!
It's a king.
It's a funeral. Oh, he's a phony. There's no casket back there. What year is this thing again?
93.
What exactly is it?
It's a Toyota Crown.
It's a Toyota Crown.
Royal
Okay.
Saloon wagon.
It's got the double wipers?
Yeah.
What?
Double wipers.
Oh, for the back?
Like the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, can you show us the party piece in the trunk? Can you show us the party piece? So one really cool thing that I actually love about this is this one simple thing that I love about this. Oh, for the family.
Rare seat.
I didn't know.
Hi, Dad. Very interesting. All Toyotas smell the same though. The kit is a junction produce kit. Like this is not original, this is part of the kit to kind of extend it, make up for the widen. Oh, this is all custom stuff. And Darren is the one that owns Belica Automotive Design, so this is gonna be all nice and repaired. It's powered by what? 1JZ GE? It's not a turbo, automatic.
Dad said you got street.
Guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out all those people that were in the video. That was a really cool meet. A lot of cool cars. If you haven't already, check us out at BMSpeedstars on Instagram. Wow, that's an Aston Martin.